Welcome back to another tutorial. On this video, we are going to cover how to create a meeting that will only allow authenticated RJUHSD accounts to access. If you haven't yet watched my previous tutorial on as to how to set up your account for this access, please do so now. I'll paste a link to the video in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started and sign in. Once at the sign in screen, scroll down and select sign in with Google. Now, from here, by default, your meetings window will show up first. As you can see, I have some meetings today that I've created, and I also have my reoccurring meetings for me and my team. Over on the right, you'll see an option to schedule a meeting. Select that. Now, many of you are already familiar with these windows at this point. Once you configure all of your meeting settings, scroll down, and you'll find only authenticated users can join. Select that option. You'll notice a sub option is displayed with the domains that are going to be authenticated and allowed to access your meeting. And below that, it's by default added a watermark that will identify the viewing participant. Once you're done, select save, and this meeting is locked to only our internal accounts. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.